the hardest wood. I know that it is a Florida native. And I know that she told me its name in Latin, so therefore it didn't stick. Let's see if perhaps there's a tag. Vero wood. She only told me that. Bolnesia. That's the owl butterfly's favorite tree in the garden. Bolnesia. I hear fruit cart. Oh, look, there's Endora getting into position. Melissa came in with a moment's notice on her day off to run the fruit cart today because we're short-staffed. So she's here in her pink shirt running the fruit cart. Oh, look at that! Hi, birdies. The blue is representing this morning. Red-legged honeycreeper, opal rump tanager, turquoise tanager. Hi, guys. Fruit by Melissa, one more day. Thank you. Hi, guys. There's Mama Duck. I see you. You see me. Hi. One turtle. And Papa Duck. I think they recognize everyone's voices. It's supposed to be Melissa's day off, but she's here. They heard her, so they come to where they know she will feed them. If it was someone else running the fruit cart, they'd hear that voice and go to the other place. Josh is pointing at something. I'm like, what are you pointing at? Look at that, the spangled kachinga. Oh, hello there. Coming over to say good morning. Hi. Hello. You're so beautiful and so fast. See, I saw down here when I took the shortcut earlier, there were several quail hanging out over here. They moved on. They heard the fruit cart too. It's the Laina cart for them. Oh, look! Look out. Out and about.
Good morning from Wendy.
Doing good.
Good morning from Megan.
Let's see. Today and tomorrow will be delivery day. I think this week we're scheduled for about 800 chrysalis. We have some new morphos added. Most of these morphos are empty. They've already emerged, so these boards will be replaced with 180 new morphos that will arrive in chrysalis form. Yeah, I love that. I enjoyed the video of Endora taking a bath. Me too. Skylar was standing here talking to guests, and Endora decided to come right down here, just here. A very random place to take a bath. She always takes a shower bath over in one of the fountains. But that day, I think it happened to be Tuesday, Tarako Tuesday, she maybe it was Monday, on the eve of Tarako Tuesday, she decided to take a bath right here. And Skylar was standing here and got that great video. Why did we name him Booger? Because he's a real booger. He is antisocial, not very friendly to any of his past roommates. So it became, wow, he's a real booger. And for some reason it just stuck. This bird feeder, before it gets seed in it, every morning it just makes me think of the Cirque du Soleil show. We're just waiting. I know, it's coming. Seed cart's on the way. She's everywhere, she's everywhere, waiting for the best grapes. Where does Endora's name come from? Our co-owner, Sam Tropia, he is a big Bewitched fan. And when we adopted Maurice and Endora, he named them Maurice and Endora. They're the parents from Bewitched. How many birds do we have in here? I can't answer that precisely. They're really, really good at having babies. There's 40 species. The number varies. There's probably more today. They're really good at hiding nests and having babies. Brett and Scarlett are telling Hernan a very vocal good morning. She went back there to put the hose away. Yeah, I hear you. I know. Did he touch the water bowl? He's trying to put the hose cart away. It's pond time anyway. 7 minutes still open. Look at that new sand. What do you think about that? It's so pretty. All right, everybody. Happy Thursday. Thank you all for walking with me. I'll go try some more tin hats and such to get our Wi-Fi working better. Hopefully we'll be better off tomorrow for Flamingo Friday. Thank you guys for everything. Have a great day.